actually a Java class, and what is the syntax of a class, and some very, very important key points. We have covered them, like uh, can we create an empty Java file and compile and run it? Can we create an empty Java class and compile and run it? Is it mandatory that Java class name and file name should be same? All some important questions we have covered in our yesterday's class. After that, yesterday I gave you a small basic idea about inheritance. Did I give you a basic idea about inheritance, guys? Just a basic idea. Yes. So what is actually inheritance? What is actually inheritance? Inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class into another class. Guys, just a second. Yes, this is good. So guys, as I'm saying, inheritance means acquiring the properties of one class to another class, means child class object can access the functionality of parent class methods. So simply, in basic understandable language, child class object can access parent class methods. That's it. Okay. So I told you regarding inheritance, we will be discussing in our coming classes. But yesterday, what a important topic what we have discussed is, so for every Java class, one class acts as a parent class. One class acts as a super class, and that class is object class. That is object class. So I already told you yesterday, like object class is the first class in the Java hierarchy. So there are different types of methods which are present in object class. So right now, let us try to have an idea about those methods. Okay, now first, in my class A, just let me try to have a method void method1 like this, and system.out.println, simply I am writing method1 called method1 clled called, just a normal method, guys, just a normal method. Okay, now main method, I am writing main method. So guys, tell me one thing, without writing main method, can I execute a program? Without writing main method, can I execute a program? Yes, the answer is no, I cannot do that. Okay, so I have written main method. Now let me try to create an object, and here I'm going with aobj1 belongs to class A. In the same manner, let me try to create one more object like this, and belongs to aobj2 belongs to class A like this. Now, guys, is everyone understanding the code which I have written right now? Did everyone understand the code? Yes, that is very good. That is very good. Now, guys, how many objects I have created? Right now, how many objects I have created? Two objects. Very good. Two objects. So how, like, why you are saying two objects? Sir, you are using 2 times new keyword. Yes. As I'm using 2 times new keyword, two objects are getting created. Two objects are getting created. As simple as this. Now, guys, can you please tell me where these objects will be stored? Where these objects will be stored? Nikhil, very good. Yes, good. Good, guys, good. No, Upendra, not garbage collector. Come on, yeah. Where these objects will be stored? Every Java object will be stored inside heap memory. Heap memory. I already told you. Just a second. Right. So every object will be created inside a heap memory. I already told you that. Like, did we discuss about JVM, guys? Did you remember that? Like I told you, 5 memory areas are there in JVM, like class area, heap area, stack, PC registers, and native method stack. Like 5 areas are there. Yes, that is another scenario. Okay. Now, in this particular program, I have created 2 objects. Okay. Now, guys, please listen to me. Please listen to me carefully. obj1 dot hash code. Okay. I can call hash code method. No problem. I'll not be getting any error. Why I'll not be getting any error? This hash code method is present in which class? Hash code method is present in object class. Not only class A, any class object can access object class methods. Any class A, class B, class C, any class methods can access object class methods. Why? Because object class by default acts as a parent class. All right, guys. Now, the return type of hash code method is int. What is it? Int. All right. Now, can I write like this? System.out.println AOBJ1 HASHCOD hash code plus AOBJ1 dot hash code. Can I write like this? Now, guys, what is the use of this hash code method? Now, this is important. Kindly please listen clearly, guys. Hash code method will provides a unique identification number for your object. Hash code method. What is the use of this hash code method? Hash code method will provide a unique identification number for your class object. Okay. Do you know what? Most of the time people will be thinking that hash code method will give address locations of an object, but that is wrong. Just let me try to write like this. It will not provide the address locations. It will not provide the address location of the object. Do you know what, guys? As a matter of fact, we literally cannot get the address location of an object. Okay, we cannot get it. Guys, are you understanding me? Please respond in the chat for me, guys. Please respond in the chat for me. I'm giving an idea about hash code. So what hash code method will be doing? Hash code method will provide a unique identification number for your class object. For every object, a unique identification number will be provided. For example, if I'm trying to have one more system.out.println AOBJ2 and AOBJ2.hash code. Now, guys, I'm not asking what is the number. I mean, obviously we cannot say which number will be generated. Okay, it's a random number. Now my question is, obviously here one number will be generated. Here also one number will be generated. Both will be same or different? What is your opinion? Both will be same or different? Go ahead, go ahead. Right. Nearly 98% of the people are saying that I will be getting different numbers. That is 100% correct. 100% correct. We will not be getting the same numbers. Obviously, guys, this is an object. This is one more object. So, but both the objects are like both the objects belongs to same class. Yeah, those belongs to same class, but those are two different objects, right? One more time. What is the use of hash code method? Hash code method will provide a unique identification number for your class object. For your class object, which is used to distinguish other objects. Distinguish our object, our class object from other objects. Okay, so one more time I'm saying, guys, most of the time people will be thinking that hash code method will provide the address location, but that is completely wrong. For example, guys, in your colleges you will be having a roll number. Am I right? Roll number. Are those roll numbers your address locations? No, completely no. What is the use of those roll numbers? Those roll numbers are used to identify the students. Am I right or wrong, guys? Here also the same scenario. That's it. Okay, let us try to execute our program. Right click, run as Java application, and this is our output. Okay, this is a number which is generated by the JVM, unique identification number for this object. In the same manner, here also, this is one more unique identification number which is generated for AOBJ2. Am I clear with this, guys? Please tell me. Right. That is great. Now, guys, this number is generated randomly. Yes, automatically, randomly it got generated. Hash code is a predefined method. Hash code is a predefined method. If you are trying to run our program for one more time, you will be getting the same number. You will not be getting different number. Okay, one more time I am saying you, guys, this hash code method is a predefined method. The code for the predefined method will be provided by the Sun Microsystems. For example, if you ask me, sir, what is this method one will be doing? I will say that method one will print method one call. We have written like that. This code is written by us. So if you ask me, sir, how this number got generated, that number got generated due to implementation, internal implementation of the hash code method. This is the internal implementation of the hash code method, guys. Hash code method is a method which is present in object class. Are you understanding me, guys? This method is not written by us. One more time I am saying you, this method is not written by us. It is a predefined method. All right, guys. Okay. Now, sir, where we will be using this hash code method? Wait for it, guys. Whenever that requirement comes, you will understand. Kindly please wait for it. As of now, please understand what this hash code method will generate. What hash code method will generate? Hash code method will generate a unique identification number for your object. It will not provide the address location of an object. Sir, how to get the address location of an object? Guys, hear my words. Hear my words clearly. You cannot get the address location of an object. Literally. Okay. So if anyone says that hash code method will be generating an address location, no, that is completely wrong. That is completely wrong, guys. You cannot get the address location of an object. Now, Mahesh, as I told you, this number is generated randomly by the JVM. Okay. It is a predefined method. It's a predefined method. Right. Now, so guys, first, we have seen hash code method. Now, let us go with equals method. What this equals method will be doing, guys, please listen to me. Point number 1. The return type of, just let me try to write like this. EQUA ls equals method. EQULS equals method. Now, the return type of equals method is RETURN. The return type of EQUALS equals method is Boolean. Boolean, guys, Boolean. Okay. What is the range of Boolean? What is the range of, Boolean means either true or false. Either true or false. That's it. Okay. Now, the return type of equals method is Boolean. Now, when this equals method will return true, it returns true if both objects address location, both objects address locations are same. Equals method, what equals method will do? Equals method will return, it returns true if both objects address locations are same. It returns false if address locations are different. So simply what I want to say is equals method will checks the address locations. Simple. In one word, in one line, you can say like this. Equals method checks the address locations. That's it. Now let us try to implement that equals method for these objects. Okay. Now system.out.println AOBJ1 dot equals AOBJ1. What is my expected output? True or false? What is your opinion? Sir, come on, sir. This is literally simple concept. Obviously, I will be getting true. TRUE, true. Why we will be getting true? Because, sir, we are comparing a similar object. AOBJ1 refers to this object, okay? And here also AOBJ1. Both are referring to the same object, right? So we will be getting our output as true. For example, if I'm trying to get system.out.println aobj1 dot equals aobj2. Now what happens? Guys, I already told you, every object, whenever you are using a new keyword, pretty much damn sure a new object will be created inside the heap memory. And literally, aobj1 is pointing towards one object and aobj2 is pointing towards another object. So definitely, we should be getting here as false. And let us check, right click, run as Java application, false, like that. As simple as this. Okay, so kindly please do remember this. This is actually important. Equals method will checks the address locations of an object. Sir, can we get the address location of an object? No. No. You literally cannot get the address location of object, but you can check whether the address locations, both objects address locations are same or not by using this equals method. As simple as it is. And kindly please do remember the return type of equals method is Boolean. Boolean means either true or false. Either true or false. Yes. Now, guys, equals method, we will be discussing again about this equals method when I am dealing with strings, string handling techniques. At that time, I'm going to ask you, what is the use of equals method? What is your answer? What is the use of equals method? What is your answer? Sir, equals method will checks the what? Address locations. Equals method will checks the address locations of objects. Kindly please do remember this particular point. Very, very, very important. Okay. Now, guys, next. Guys, I'll be giving the time to write this. Don't worry. I'll be giving the time. Kindly please don't worry. Okay. Just concentrate on the class, guys, please. Please concentrate on the class. Right. You can check that, Krishna. You can check that. Please check that. If you check, you will understand. Okay. Please check that, buddy. Okay. For example, guys, please observe here. aobj2 dot equals aobj1. Guys, what is your like expected output? True or false? Very good. FALSE, false. Let me check. Right click and run as Java application. Obviously false. Yeah, completely false. Is it clear, guys? Like that. That is great. Now let me try to go with get class method. What is that? Get class method. Now, what is the use of this get class method? Guys, you need to like understand a situation right now. What I'm trying to say is, for example, let us think that in our demo sessions, I told you, if we are having a project, inside a project, we'll be having source folder. Inside this source folder, we'll be creating different packages. I told you. Did you remember that? Different packages I told you. Generally speaking, normally guys, a simple project will have 30 to 40 packages. A simple project will have 30 to 40 packages. 30 to 40 packages. Each package consists of nearly 200 to minimum 200 to 500 classes. A project consists of 30 to 40 packages. Each package consists of 200 to 500 classes. Each class will have minimum 3000 to 5000 lines of code. Each class. Are you understanding, guys, what I'm trying to say here? Yeah. I'm speaking about a real-time project. That is the only reason. If you are speaking about a project, if you're taking a project, nearly a project will take 4 to 5 years of time. 4 to 5 years of time. Like, it will not be completed within 1 day or 2 days. Like 1 year or 2 years. No way. Literally no way. So 4 to 5 years of time will be taking for creating a project. Now, what I want to say is, one more time I'm saying you guys, a project will have 30 to 40 packages. Each package will have 200 to 500 classes. Each class will have 3000 to 5000 lines of code. In our programming requirements, if we want to know, for example, I am present in class A. Okay, just let us think that I am present in, like, I'm working with class A here, this class. Just think like I'm working with class A. Now, I want to know my class A is present in which package. In that class A, let us think that 3000 lines of code is there. If I want to know my class A is present in which package, simply I cannot go there, like go to the top of the class, and I will not check that. What I'll be doing? I'll be using a method. Are you understanding, guys? I'll be using a method to know my class A is present in which package. System.out.println. Simply I'll be using get class method plus aobj1 dot get class. What this get class method will return? It will return the fully qualified name of my class A. Fully qualified name means my class A is present in which package? com.pack1. And of course, it is a class. It will return me the fully qualified class name. That is the use of get class method. Are you understanding me, guys? So simply what we can write here, it will return the fully qualified name of our class. That's it. As simple as this. Guys, trust me, this get class method is literally, it is a lifesaver. I mean, you'll be understanding that when you are working on a project, many times we should be knowing our class is present in which package. Why? Because, guys, we are having access modifiers like public, private, protect, and default. Some access modifiers are there now. We will be having restrictions for the packages also. So in order to know our class is present in which package, obviously we should be using this get class method. So one more time, what is the use of this hash code method? Hash code method will generate a unique identification number for your object. What is the use of equals method? Equals method will check the address locations of our object. What is the use of this get class method? Get class method will return the fully qualified class name, means complete name. That's it. Simple, not more than that. Okay, that is actually get class method. Now after that, guys, toString method. Okay, now guys, what is the use of this toString method? STRING. toString method. It is used to convert an object into string represented format. That's it, guys. That's it. You will be getting a hexa integer code by using this toString method. Your object will be, your class object will be converted into an integer represented, like a string represented format. Please observe here, toString method. I'm trying to use toString method plus obj1 dot toString method. Please observe here, guys. Right click, run as Java application. Now this obj1, that is, this object is converted into string represented format. Sir, if I am using toString method for obj2, am I going to get the same number or different number? Guys, what is your opinion? Same number or different number? Right. Right click, run as Java application. Obviously different number, guys. Yes. That's it. Simple, guys. Simple. What is the use of toString method? ToString method is used to convert a string, like an object, into string represented format. Again, regarding this toString method, we will be covering under strings concept. Strings. ToString method and equals method. Again, we will be using these methods. Okay. But as of now, kindly please do remember that string, like toString method, is used to convert the object, like class object, into string represented format. That's it. As simple as this. Now, after that, the next one is, okay, finalize method. Right. So guys, we'll do one thing. First, write these points. Finalize method. After completing this program, I'll be trying to discuss it. Kindly please go ahead. First write this up to here. We'll be using these methods. Again, we'll be using hash code. Again, we'll be using equals, get class method, toString methods. Again, we'll be using this. At that time, I'm going to ask you. Amrita, I requested the admin people, like those videos recordings will not be available with me. I requested the admin people. Actually, I'm also waiting for that. I requested them, but I did not got it. I'm waiting for that. Let me check with them once again, Amrita. Guys, online students, one more time I'm saying you, like, video recordings will not be available with me. So kindly please, like, if you ask me also, I cannot provide you them. Only for demo sessions only I can help you with that. After that, those will not be available with me. So kindly please understand. Amrita, like regarding software installation, I have posted the video like in the Google Classroom. You can check with that. Day 9, I think it's like software installation. You can please check with that, please. Bhuvaneshwar, very soon remaining modules also will be started. Kindly please wait. Okay. Please wait, Bhuvaneshwar. And guys, I strongly advise you, kindly please write the code. Please write the code. Don't take screenshots. Don't take screenshots. No, 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 no. Pratisha, it will be covered under core Java only, ma. Please wait for it. And please write these comments also. Please, please write these comments also. So if you got an answer, like what is the use of this hash code method, equals method, and get class method, you can easily answer that. Please, please write them. Yeah, yeah. I'll wait. No problem. Please write. Please write. Take time. Take time, guys. No issues. Line number 18 completed for everyone. Line number 18 completed for everyone. Line number 18. Okay, okay. Sonal, please write. Please write. Okay, okay. Right, guys. Right, right. I'll wait. I'll wait. Please. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll show you. Please wait. Please wait. Right. Priyanka, one thing, Tali, hash code method is used to identify your object, to distinguish different objects. For example, you'll be having a roll number, right? What is the use of that roll number? Like that. Okay. Anand, you're saying, sir, please upload this content in the Google Classroom. Anand, whatever the content which I need to upload in the Google Classroom, I will upload it. Don't worry about it. But this is actually which you need to write it whenever you're writing the code only, Anand. There is a reason why I'm writing like this. Okay. Please don't mind. Please don't mind. Okay. Kumar, yes, that code will be present in the Java documentation. Wait, guys. Output, I'll show you. Output, I'll show you. Like, did you note down? Did you note down this? Did you note down this? Did you note down this? Salesh, that depends upon the operating system. You may get the same or else you may get a different. Why? Because JVM is platform dependent. Am I right? So that depends. That's what I'm saying, you buddy. That depends. All right. So guys, this is the output. This is the output. Okay. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Kamlesh, you already asked the question. I told you the answer for that. As of now, kindly please do remember that equals method will check the address location of an object. Okay, right. It will internally checks the address location. Right. We cannot do that. We cannot do that. But equals method will be doing like that. No problem for that. That is the internal implementation. Vinay. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope it's completed for everyone. I hope it's completed for everyone. Now I'm removing this. I'm removing this. Just let me try to remove this. Okay. Now. Right. Now. All right, guys. Now let us try to cover finalize method. What is that method? That method is finalize method. Now, yes, finalize method. Finalize method. Right. Now, what is the use of this finalize method? Guys, point number one, finalize method is, it is internally called by the finalize method is internally called by the garbage collector. Sharif, did you write the program, Sharif? Did you got the output? Sharif, you need to be fast here. Okay, just a second. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. No problem, no problem. Please be fast, buddy. Please be fast. Why? Because guys, I'll be having nearly 220 to 25 students are there here. So I hope you're understanding me. Okay. So please be fast. Please be fast. Guys, just a second. Just a second. Just a second. There is no range. No, no, no. Pooja. Vinay, equals method will checks the address locations. We cannot check the address location. For example, if I ask you, what is the address location of this object? What is your answer? I will ask you like this. What is the address location of this object? What is your answer? Tell me. Then, did you understand that? Equals method will compare. We can't do that. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, guys. Now just let me get it like this. Okay. Now, one more. So guys, please observe here. Finalize method. Regarding toString, we'll be discussing again, Alpesh. Please don't worry. Please don't worry. We'll be discussing again regarding toString method also. Okay. Right. So finalize method. Finalize method. So what is the use of this finalize method? Guys, finalize method, first point which you need to remember is finalize method. It is internally called by the garbage collector. Okay. What is the use of garbage collector? Garbage collector is used to remove or destroy all tell me, destroy all unused or unreferenced objects from the where? Unreferenced objects from the heap memory. Exactly. HEAP, heap, MEMORY, heap memory. Right? Now, guys, when garbage collector will be acting on your program, garbage collector will be acting on our program, garbage collector will be acting on our program if there is any object eligible for destruction. If there is any object eligible for destruction. Okay. For example, what I want to do is, let me try to write a method, void show method like this. Now, system.out.println, I am writing hi, or else hello, or else hello world, WORLD, hello world. I'm writing like hello world like this. Now let me try to create, let me try to write my main method. Now inside my main method, what I'll be doing, I'll be trying to create an object, new class A. I'm creating an object belongs to AOBJ1, and that belongs to class A, like that. Okay, let me try to create two objects here, please. Two objects. Okay, copy, paste, and AOBJ2. Two objects I have created. Okay, so whenever you are creating an object like this, what will be happening here, let us think that this is heap memory here. Just imagine this is heap memory. Okay, heap, HEAPMEMORY. Just let us try to imagine like this is heap memory. Now we are creating two objects. All right, we are creating two objects like this. Okay, now you already know that, you already pretty much damn sure you already know that. Just a second. Where is my Times New Roman here? Yeah. I'm creating an object like this. Okay. Now, so two objects will be created inside heap memory. This is one object. This is another object. Two objects got created inside heap memory. Let us think that for an understanding purpose, let us think that this object address location is some 456. This object address location is some 412. Sir, you said that we cannot get the address location of object. Then how you are giving 456 and 412? Guys, please imagine here. Just imagine. That's it. We cannot get the address location. I'm just writing a number. Is it okay for you? Is it okay for you guys? So please, if you're asking me again, guys, can I take this call? Can I take this call once? I got a call. Please don't mind. Okay, thank you. Raju, night 8 o'clock batch వాళ్ళ పిల్లలకి మనం వీడియోస్ ఇచ్చాం కదా స్టార్టింగ్. అవును, ఇప్పుడు 8 o'clock జరుగుతుంది కదా ఆ బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళకి డే 7 డే 8 సేమ్ రికార్డింగ్స్ ఉన్న వీడియోస్. సేమ్ రికార్డింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నాకు ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసి డే 8 రికార్డింగ్ పంపిస్తావా? పిల్లలు అడుగుతున్నారు అది. చిటీకి అది రికార్డింగ్ అడిగావా? ఏమన్నాడు? నేను మాట్లాడతాను. పంపలేదు, నేను ఫోన్ లిఫ్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. నేను మాట్లాడతానులే. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడున్నావు? పంపిస్తానట. సరే, ఎక్కడ ఆఫీస్లో ఉన్నా వెళ్ళిపోయావా? అర్థం కాల. సరే సరే సరే, నాకు రేపు పంపించు రాజు అది. రైట్ రైట్ రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to keep my mic in mute. So guys, I requested one more person also regarding that day 8th video. Hopefully I'll be getting that. If I get it, I'll be trying to upload it in our Google Classroom, guys. Is it okay for you? I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Trust me when I say that. Right? Right. Okay. So let us come back. Let us come back. Now, Anish, I told you, I'll be able to provide the recording only for demo sessions, not for regular classes. Please, Anish, please don't ask, please. Okay. All right. So guys, one more time. Yes, one more time. Right. Where am I? Where are we? Yes. We are creating objects. Yes, we are creating two objects, and class A object, and both the objects are created inside the heap memory, and class A object address location is 456, and this object address location is 412. Just think like that. Now, when I'm referring AOBJ1, then what will be happening? This reference will point towards this address location. That is how it works. AOBJ2 will point towards this address location. Am I clear with this, guys? AOBJ1 will point towards 456, and AOBJ2 will point towards 412. I mean, just address locations. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, for example, my question is, right now I am having two objects. Okay. Is there any unreferenced object? Right now, in my heap memory, is there any unreferenced objects? No. So, will garbage collector work on our program? No. Obviously, no. Now, guys, please observe here. Finalize method will be called internally by the garbage collector. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Finalize method will be called internally by the garbage collector. Okay. For example, I am writing that finalize method. PROTECT protected void FINALIZED finalize method. Sir, why you have written protected? Guys, I did not wrote this protected. Object class method. In object class method, those people have given protected. Okay. So I'm writing it like this. Okay. Protected void finalize method and system.out.println. Simply I'm writing GRBA garbage has been COLLECTD collected. Garbage has been collected. Now I'm trying to call my garbage collector also. SYSTM system.gc. This is the way how to call the garbage collector. Now, if I execute my program, guys, think and answer. If I execute my program, am I going to get this output or not? Yes or no? Very good. Yes. So guys, some people are saying we will not be getting this output. Some people are saying yes. Okay, one more time. Guys, one more time I'm saying you, please listen carefully. When garbage collector will be acting on your program? Just answer my question. When garbage collector, GC means garbage collector. When garbage collector will be acting on your program, garbage collector will be acting on our program if there is any object eligible for destruction. Okay. If garbage collector is acting on our program, then it will call finalize method. Then only it will call finalize method. Now, in this program, right now in this program, is there any object eligible for destruction? No. So will garbage collector act on your program? No. So are you going to get that finalized method executed? No. Are you understanding me, guys? Now, please observe here. AOBJ1 dot method, sorry, AOBJ1 dot show. I'm trying to call this show method. Mukesh, I can call like that. That particular concept is known as overriding. I can call like that. No problem. Okay. Now, please observe here. I'm calling show method. Okay. Right click, run as Java application. Only hello world is getting printed. I am not getting my finalize method. Okay, guys. Now, what I will be doing here, please observe here. AOBJ1 equal to null. I will be writing like this. AOBJ1 equal to null means I am removing this reference. AOBJ1 is no longer, AOBJ1 is, this reference is no longer pointed towards this object. Guys, are you understanding me? If I'm writing AOBJ1 equal to null, then what is happening here? Right now, this is class A, I mean 4, 5, 6. This is unreferenced object. Am I right or wrong? Come on, guys, please. Yes? Exactly. Now you know the answer. Guys, all unused or unreferenced objects will be destroyed by the, come on, guys, garbage collector. So whenever garbage collector is acting on my program, it will internally call which method? Garbage collector will internally call which method? Finalize method. Right click, run as Java application. Guys, if I execute my program, am I going to get this output? Right click, run as Java application, and yes, I will be getting my output. That is, garbage has been collected. So guys, as of now, kindly please do remember one point. That is, finalize method will be called internally by the garbage collector. Okay. So again, regarding this garbage collection also, we'll be having a lot of concept is there. Like I had showed you only one way. There are different ways where an object is eligible for destruction. There are different ways. So again, we'll be discussing about this garbage collection also. Okay. Now, for example, guys, if I'm trying to call AOBJ1.show method, tell me guys, what will happen here? Am I going to get my output? No, I'll not be getting my output. I will be getting an exception. What it is? Null pointer exception. Why? Because for this AOBJ1, there is no object available. Right? Right, guys. Please have this program for me, please. Please go ahead. Here, just try to write it like this. Here, we will be getting a null pointer, null pointer exception, null pointer exception. So guys, one more time I am saying you, regarding this garbage collector, regarding this finalized method, what is this null pointer exception? Again, we will be discussing that. We are right now, literally, we are in the very starting concepts only. Don't worry, we will be discussing that. Trust me when I say that. Okay, please go ahead. Guys, Java, trust me, you will fall in love with Java here, seriously. Okay, so every day, please practice. Don't forget to practice. Anita, you need to ask the doubt in the chat, please. Please ask the doubt in the chat. You know that I'm replying to the answers, right? Like questions. Anant, AOBJ1, here what we are doing here, we are removing this reference to this object. Null is a value, buddy. Null is actually a value. Okay. We are removing that reference. That's it. Not more than that. Yes. Nikhil, I'll be giving you the tasks. I'll be giving the tasks. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Anita, all unused or unreferenced, I told you, right? Unreferenced. So please don't consider that AOBJ2 also should be deleted. No, that is actually referenced object. Am I right? Yes. Or I said or, right? Ramya, you can make a call to them or else WhatsApp them, no problem. Mahesh, regarding that example also, I will let you know. Wait for it. Like when we are discussing about garbage collector, I'll let you know, buddy. Please don't worry. As of now, guys, please concentrate on the finalize method. Don't get deviated with the topic. Finalize method, finalize method. My question is, when finalize method will be called? Mukesh, as of now, yes. As of now, yes. Basically, garbage collector is a thread. Garbage collector is a thread. To be precise, it is known as a daemon thread. Daemon thread. In multi-threading, we'll be coming across that particular topic. Lot of concepts are there here. Lot of concepts are there. Slowly, you will be understanding each topic. Slowly. Day by day, you will be understanding that. And I strongly advise you to please write these comments also, please. Supriya, it's our wish. If you want to use, we can use, or else no. I'll be giving you practice questions also. Wait for it, please. Like, I can't give all at a one time. Whenever the topic is completed, I'll be discussing that. I'll be giving you. Wait for it. Nikhil, what is this AOBJ2? What is that AOBJ2? It is pointing towards. It is pointing towards object, right? So how can you call that as an unreferenced object? Did you understand, Nikhil? Come on. Anant, I don't know whether what I told you hear or not. I told you that we will be discussing garbage collector again. We will be discussing garbage collector again. Please check your internet connections here. Okay, please. Not exactly, Mahesh, not exactly, not exactly. We can write, see, if you are not writing protected void, finalized method also, it will be called, but you don't know that, right? As of now, you don't know that. Like, how can we justify our statement? Like right now I'm saying garbage, like finalized method will be called internally by the garbage collector. But if you are not writing that, we can't say that. Am I right or wrong, Mahesh? So that is the reason I had written like that. Right. All right, guys. All right. I hope you have written this program. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. We have in this particular concepts, yes, we have covered hash code method, equals method, get class method, toString method, and finalize method. Up to here we have covered. Now, clone method. In order to understand this clone method, we should be having complete idea about object-oriented programming features and exception handling also. So I want to complete this clone method after exception handling. What is your opinion? What is your opinion, guys? Why? Because basically all these object class methods demands further knowledge. So up to now, I had actually tried to explain somewhat okay up to now, but this clone method, no way, guys. You will not be able to understand that. So my opinion is it would be better if we are trying to like cover after completing exception handling. So not right now. Okay. And these three are there na. These three are there na. Wait, notify, notify all. These three methods are used to communicate between threads. Means there is a concept, guys. In Java, we are having a concept known as inter-thread communication. What is the word? What is the word I just now I used? That concept is INTR, inter-thread, COMMUNICATIONS, communication, inter-thread communication. So inter-thread communication means not synchronization, Gopi, inter-thread communication. In inter-thread communication, I mean, basically, what is actually inter-thread communication? You know, one thread should be able to communicate with the other thread. In order to do that, we should be using these methods. In order to do that, we should be using these wait, notify, and notify all methods. So we will be discussing about those methods when I'm dealing with multi-threading. When I'm dealing with multi-threading, not right now. There is completely separate topic is there, like inter-thread communication. At that particular time, we'll be discussing about those methods. Now, clone method. The use of clone method is, it is used to create a clone of our class object, not a new object. Clone of our class object. So how to create that clone of our class object, we'll be discussing that when we're dealing with like after completing exception handling. Shrikant, satisfied? Okay, buddy? Oh, yeah. Very good. So guys, I hope it's clear for everyone. Guys, you may have a little bit like a doubt regarding toString method, equals method, hash code method. Guys, I promise you, again, we will be discussing about these. Trust me when I say that. Trust me when I say that. Okay. Please wait for it. Please wait for it. Right. Now, Albia, you're asking, sir, if the interviewer asks what is equals method, so what we have to check, is it going to check the address location of an object or same, or it's going to check toStrings? Alvia, what I told you, I told you that we'll be discussing about the toString method, like, sorry, equals method when we are dealing with string handling. Am I right or wrong? Yes? So kindly please wait for it. Please wait for it. Can you do that for me? Let us have some like thrilling here. Wait for it. I don't want to discuss it right now. Why? Because we are supposed to have a lot of concepts covered before that, right? So after clearing like all those concepts, at that time, we'll be discussing that. Okay. Right, guys. Right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today.